The highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy S24 is still a few months away from its official release, but the leaks and rumors are already pouring in. In this video, we'll dive deep into the latest revelations about the chipsets that will power the Galaxy S24 series. The big question on everyone's mind: which chipsets will the Samsung Galaxy S24 series feature? The answer seems to revolve around two major players, Qualcomm and Samsung's own Exynos. Qualcomm CEO Cristiano Amon made a significant statement confirming that Qualcomm will provide chipsets for the majority of the Galaxy S24 handsets set to hit the market next year. This announcement strongly suggests the most Galaxy S24 phones will be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, known for its exceptional performance and features. However, there's a twist. It appears that the top-tier Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra will exclusively use Qualcomm processors, differentiating it from the rest of the lineup. In the past, Samsung often used a mix of Snapdragon and Exynos chips in its Galaxy S series. Still, in recent years, they leaned more towards Qualcomm. The return of Samsung's Exynos chips, especially in European variants, is on the horizon. Here's an exciting detail. The Galaxy S24 handsets might receive a customized version of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. This for Galaxy variant could feature tweaks designed to optimize AI performance, setting the Galaxy S24 apart in the crowded Android phone market. Renowned tipster Yogesh Bra suggests that this custom chip includes an overclocked prime core, unique performance clusters, and efficient core clusters that are slightly underclocked, all aimed at enhancing AI capabilities in the Galaxy S24 series. The latest leak suggests that January 17th might be the day when the Samsung Galaxy S24 series is officially launched. So stay tuned for more updates on the Samsung Galaxy S24 as we approach the official launch date. Make sure to subscribe for the latest tech news and insights.